All right, so I've got one of my casings here. I've got the other back here with my loops ready to go. So what we're gonna do is just iron these flat. Make sure those seams are pressed down nicely, and then we will iron them in half to help actually make that casing where our drawstring will go. So iron's heated up. It is set to cottons, hot and ready to go, with some water in there so it steams it as well. And we just press those ends. Those seams are flat. And like I said, on this bag, I'm going to make the reels, or this blue part, the outside. So I do want to fold this in the direction that I want showing on the outside of the bag. Okay. So I'm just going to fold that in half and then press that seam. Press that fold in there. Okay. Because this will now get pinned onto the outside casing of, or the outside of the bag. Okay. So we will do same thing over here. And so it said earlier, I forgot that this piece was here. And this is why it's not a big deal, because it will get folded over and we won't see that anymore once it is folded. Sorry if this is a little wiggly. Don't have a great place to set you. So again, this is a little warm now that I've ironed it. So if you have sensitive fingers, wait a second before you fold it. And then again, fold or iron that fold. Okay. Those are good. Set those to the side, and I'm gonna grab my little loop pieces and iron those flat. Grab this and iron it flat. Okay. If you are somebody that gets a little nervous around the iron, that is totally fine, and you don't want to do what I just did by putting my fingers down next to the iron. You can use your sewing shears and help hold the piece down while you then iron it, so that your fingers are not near the hot side of the iron. Okay. We are now done with the iron. We can put that away because these will be sewn in, our loops that will be sewn in just like this. So if you do want to do one more step, you can iron the fold down as well, but you do not have to do this step. This is an optional step. I'm gonna do it this time. I have not ever done it before. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay. So set those off to the side, and then we are gonna go pin our next pieces together before we start sewing. Make sure if you are the last one on the iron that you do turn it off or unplug it.